Alright guys, today we're about to answer a question a lot of woodworkers have. Can you actually buy decent woodworking tools from Temu? I spent $100 of my own money, but working tools, and today we're unboxing and testing them to see if they're actually useful or just cheap junk. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Boots.
So I kept seeing super cheap tools on Temu, and honestly I got curious. As a woodworker, I'm always looking for affordable tools, especially for beginners or hobbyists that don't want to spend hundreds of dollars. So I picked a few tools that look useful, and let's see what actually showed up. Alright, first item. This is supposed to be a precision miter gauge set. Let's see. Okay, so the quality doesn't feel bad. It is aluminum and feels kind of heavy, but it feels super sturdy as well. Oh, I like how it has measurements right here. And it has a bag full of screws. The material feels super solid. I really like how it feels. This actually does not feel cheap because this is metal. Honestly, this is lighter than I expected, but not terrible. Let's put it together. Now let's move on to package number 2. This one is actually something that I'm excited about. This is a 4-pack corner clamps for woodworking. Actually, this looks super neat and organized. I'm really excited about this one because this is going to help me make cabinets, and also is going to help me out to make sure that these cabinets are square. There's not much to show here, but I like how everything feels really nice. Now let's move on to the next package. Let's check our last package. This is supposed to be 3 items. Item number 1 out of the 3rd package. This is 2 aluminum alloy template routers for corners. This is to create corners when you're using the routing table. Honestly, they do feel kind of cheap. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm pretty sure we can figure something out. The next one is, let's do this one. This is supposed to be a woodworking scribing gauge center finder rule. This is to make circles. I can see how I can use that. One thing that I noticed, the theme is that everything is red. So I'm assuming that the last package is red as well. Let's see. And like I said, this is red, and this is an adjustable drill jig. The reason I bought all these tools is because I wanted to find use for cheap tools and see if they actually really work. This one is a little bit challenging because I have to put it together, so let's see if I can put it together. Alright, so after unboxing all these items, some of these tools are actually solid for hobby in woodworking, but others like this one that I don't even know how to put it together, is better to save your money for. So the real question, was it worth it to spend $100 on Temu? Well, the answer is, if you're starting woodworking, Temu tools can actually help get you started cheaply, but if you build projects every day, you will probably outgrow them quickly. For example, this tool is going to be used to make edges using a router. This tool is going to help me out to make circles. This one I'm going to try to see if I can use it on my table saw or my routing table. And to be honest with you, this is the one that I'm most excited about, because this one is going to help me out make cabinets, and it's going to make sure that the cabinets are square. If you want to see these tools used in the future projects, let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoy woodworking tools reviews and shop projects, hit that subscribe button, because there's a lot more to come. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Alright guys, so after spending $100 on Temu, I do feel like that was a bunch of junk. I lost $100. I lost $100 to don't make this stupid video. But I mean, like, there's a couple of things that can actually be like that can actually work. I'm just laughing because I just wanted to make this video to see if that was actually worth it. But then the more I think about it, I'm like, this was a lot of junk. Well, anyways, listen, if you want to see more videos like this, hit me up, like, subscribe, and like and subscribe, and I see you in the next time for the next build. So you have a good day.